tape it, and make it. Hello everyone. In this video, we will show you a taping technique for tendinitis of the forearm. We have already prepared 2 strips, one strip of our Kintex classic tape, which we measure from the middle of the back of the hand to just below the elbow. We take this length twice and cut 2 diamonds into it, exactly in the middle, to tape them over the fingers later. The second tape is a 6-inch long of classic tape, which we tape over the pain point. My colleague will now show you the correct taping technique. First, we divide the backing paper exactly in the area of the rhombuses, in order to then pull these over the middle finger and over the ring finger. We fix the first part completely without tension, the middle part under light tension, and we let the end run out without tension. On the inside, we proceed exactly the same way. At the beginning without tension, in the middle under light tension, and at the end again without tension. We rub everything well. Then we take our 6-inch strip, divide the backing paper in the middle, and tape it over the pain point under maximum tension, and let the ends run out again loosely. We rub everything again to improve the initial adhesive strength of the tape. Also with this taping technique, and if there is a lot of hair, it is recommended to shave the area where the tape is applied. Thank you for using Kintex. Tape it and make it.